our topic. Okay, here I give you 2.1 multiplied by 3. Okay, 2.1 multiplied by 3. Don't worry about it. You have to multiply the numerical values only. First of all, 21 multiplied by 3. So that will give you number 63. Okay, write the 63 here. And here the thing is, how many digits after the decimal point here? Only one digit after the decimal point. Likewise, we have to place our decimal which has only one digit after the decimal point. Okay, you have to think about the instances. When we place our decimal here, there is no any points after this. When we place our decimal here, this is gonna be the exact place. Okay, I'll repeat once more what we need to do here. One digit after the decimal point. In our answer also, we have to place our decimal accordingly, which has only one digit after the decimal point. When we locate our decimal point here, that does not have any decimals after that one. Okay, when we place here, it has only one digit after the decimal point. So this is the way you have to place your decimal in this case. Okay, then 12.5 multiplied by 2. In this case, when you multiply this one 125 into 2, that is 250. Here you can see only one digit after the decimal point. Okay, only one digit after the decimal point. So in our answer also, we have to place our decimal accordingly with one digit after the decimal point. Yes, it should be 25.0, which has only one digit after the decimal point. Okay, when we deal with this instance, 0.3 multiplied by 0.4. Okay, in this case, let's multiply the numerical values 3 into 4. That will give you number 12. Let's place our 12 here. Here both has some decimals. Okay, one digit after the decimal point. Here also one digit after the decimal point. So totally we have to place two digits after the decimal point. Okay, two digits after the decimal point. So from its last we have to place two digits before. Okay, two digits before. So this is gonna be 0.12. It's not proper to indicate 0.12. Before that we have to indicate a zero digit also. Okay, zero digit also. Let's do one more question. In that, 1.7 multiplied by 0.3. Okay, 17 into 3, that will be 51. Okay, here you can see one digit after the decimal point. Here also one digit after the decimal point. So totally two digits after the decimal point. So from its last you have to place your decimal two numbers before. From its last, you have to place your decimals two numbers before. So your decimal should be here. So to give a perfect answer, you have to indicate a zero here. It's not proper to indicate 0.51, no. So before that, you have to place a non-value, okay, a non-digit, okay. This is called as none, okay, none or there is no any use to use zero here, so we can place our zero to give a perfect answer in this case. Here 7.5 into 3, that means we have to multiply 75 times 3, that will give you 225. So here only one digit after the decimal point. Let's place our decimal here. Okay, like we have to have one digit after the decimal point. Then 164 into 2, that is 328. And here one digit after the decimal point, here also one digit, totally two digits. So from its last you have to place your decimal two digits before. 3.28, 31 times 15, so that will give you 465. Okay, here only one digit after the decimal point, so let's place our decimal here. Then 22 times 44, that will give you 968. Here one digit after the decimal point, here another digit after the decimal point. So totally two digits should be placed after the decimal point. Then final one, 192 into 3, 576. But in this case, Here there are 2 digits. Here there is a digit. So totally 3 digits after the decimal point. That means from its last 1, 2, 3. We have to place our decimal here. So before that, there is no any numbers, no. So we can place our 0 here. 0.576 should be our answer in this case. Okay, when we deal with 0.5 multiplied by 1.12. Okay, here the same thing you have to follow. 112 multiplied by 5. So that will give you 560. Here there is a digit. Here there are 2 digits after the decimal point. So totally 3 digits. From its last, we have to place our decimal 3 digits before. 1, 2, 3. So it should be 0.560. Okay, for the first one, you have to multiply 99 into 9. That is 891. Here there are 2 digits after the decimal point. Here there is no any digits. So we have to concern about this one, 2 digits. So from its last 1, 2 digits before here. So this should be 8.91. For our next one, that is 4 times 75. That will be 300. There are 3 digits after the decimal point. So we have to place 1, 2, 3 digits before here. It will become 0.300. Then for your next question, 3153 multiplied by 1. That is same. 3153. Here only one digit. Here there are 2 digits. So totally 3 digits. You have to place 3 digits before. 1, 2, 3. So that will become 3.153. Okay. Then for your next one, 2975 multiplied by 2, that will give you 5950. Here there are 2 digits. Here there is a digit. So totally 3 digits. So 1, 2, 3 digits before here. 5.950. Final one, that is 17 times 9. That is 153. 153. Here there are 3 digits after the decimal point. Here only one digit after the decimal point. In this case, totally 4 digits. So 1, 2, 3, 4. We have to place our decimal here. But there is no any numbers. Okay, there is no any digits here and here. So in between these blanks, we can place zeros. Okay, instead of leaving it as a space, we have to place some zeros because here there are 3 digits. Here there is a digit. So totally, we have to place our decimal 4 digits leftwards. So 1, 2, 3. Already 3 digits. We are lack of a digit. Lack of a digit. That's why I placed a 0 in this blank and as usual 0 here. This is the way you have to do the last portion of this question. Okay, for here 72 times 4. That is 144 to 88. Okay, to 88. But in here you can see 2 digits after the decimal point. Here there are 3 digits. So totally 5 digits. We have to place our decimal accordingly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here your decimal should be here. In these blanks we have to fill up with using zeros. 0.00288 should be your answer. Then for 911 into 2, that is 2 to 18. 1822. Then here there are 4 digits and there is a digit. So totally 5 digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, here we can fill up these blanks by using zeros. This is the way you have to multiply the numbers which are less than zeros in decimal occurrence.